It's been barely a few months since right here on the social network we were talking about the horrific aftermath of that brutal Delhi gang rape of that 23-year-old woman. Now we're talking about a series of children who've been raped across the country. There is no end to this shame. There is no end to this rape, and it seems little seems to have changed from December to now, aside from the fact that the government has come down to write down a law. But has that been good enough? Doesn't seem so. We've seen protests break out over the weekend as well as today, asking that this time action must be taken against police brutality, which has come under sharp attack. So on the social network today, we ask, shut the sexist sloganeering up, cops told, wear bangles. We also talk about left to right, fight online abuse against women. All that coming up on the social network today. We've got a very interesting panel lined up. Let's quickly introduce everybody on the show. We're joined in the studio by Nupur Sharma, who is from the BJP. She's also the former DUSU president, so she knows a lot about attacks against women offline. We're also joined by Anya Kovacs, who is the director of the Internet Democracy Project, and she will be talking about the first time ever that an online study has been done to check abuse against women. She brings us all of those details. And Sucheta, of course, is a well-known face on the social network. She's a member of the All India Students Association and was there on the ground on the weekend, fighting every single person who came, trying to get her voice heard for all of the women across the country. We're also joined on a video call by Dilip Pandey, who is from the Aam Aadmi Party. The Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP were also there on the streets protesting. I just want to throw the debate open with Sucheta. She was on the ground. Sucheta, I just want to start with you first. दिसंबर में आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रही थी, बहुत भारी प्रोटेस्ट किया था आपने. अब हम सेकेंड वेव ऑफ प्रोटेस्ट एक तरह से कह सकते हैं, हम देख रहे हैं दिल्ली में एटलीस्ट. आपको कुछ लगता है कि पिछली बार से इस बारी बदला है, इस बारी लोग कम हैं, बट फिर भी दूसरी बार अगर लोग सड़कों पे आ रहे हैं, इसका मतलब गुस्सा अभी तक वहीं का वहीं है?
देखिए, लोगों में गुस्सा है, और जब हम लोग दिसंबर में प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे तब हम ये नहीं कह रहे थे कि इस एक प्रोटेस्ट से समाज बदल जाएगा. हमारा मांग था कि जो लोग जिम्मेदार हैं, जो लोग वर्दी पहनते, जो इलेक्टेड है, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है, एमएलए हैं, मंत्री हैं, वो बदलेंगे कि नहीं. और इस बार के घटना से दिखता है कि वो नहीं बदले हैं, क्योंकि इस पर्टिकुलर केस में जो हुआ, ये गरीब परिवार की बच्ची थी. इनके माता पिता जाके जब कंप्लेन किए पुलिस के पास, तो तब उनको कहा गया कि नहीं, तलाशी हो गई, मिली नहीं, जबकि शी वाज देयर इन द नेक्स्ट बिल्डिंग.
In fact, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा इंटरप्ट कर रही हूँ, but in fact, I think that's perhaps the key difference between last time and this time, because last time there was no law, but between that time and this time, there is a new law in which the section 166A says that you have to take action against
protesters who came down to the streets, who flooded the streets, who said that what we need is not just a strict law, we need a pro-woman law. You know, there are people
implementation,
and who would implement that? That was the question we were asking last time. Justice Verma Committee recommendations came, and the government and other opposition parties inside the parliament that diluted it like anything, and there is definitely a law. There are some positive things which have got from the law, but there is definitely one clause which says that those police officers who do not fulfill their responsibilities in case of rape or in case of sexual violence will be behind bars, not only suspension.
Nupur, I just want to throw that out to you. Nupur and Dilip, both of you, you know, one of the things that all of your parties, members and protesters were asking for over the weekend was that you be allowed to take your voices to the right to the top, but you were not allowed to do that. Nupur.
Actually, I just want to add to what you said. What's the difference between these 4 months? That time the police was obviously delayed. This time they were trying to give 2,000 rupees to the family to shut the case off. The difference is that in spite of having a law in place, that's what they were trying to do. They were trying to work against it. So the question comes down to implementation. And surprisingly, that the amendment hasn't really done anything. So first we need a deterrent or sort of like a motivational factor for the cops to act before we can actually go on to the netas and the politicians.
Okay, let me bring in Dilip. Dilip, I want to ask you, you know, as viewers, we were all watching that protest play out on the weekend as well as today. And, you know, it may be a small thing, but what we found was very disturbing was the fact that a lot of the protesters, members from both Aam Aadmi Party as well as the Bharatiya Janata Party, were saying that the cops should wear bangles and sit down. Now, to me and to most people who are fighting for equal rights for women, that would come across as a very, very anti-woman statement. What do you think of that?
Yeah, so I would like to start from here. When we started the protest 2 days around ago, I mean, it all started with a call. We received a call from the parents of that little girl that call was about the complaint of their hopelessness with a hope from Aam Aadmi Party that they would help. We reached there, we protested, we managed somehow to get
All right.
medical facilities.
Which is fair, and I'm sure that you're getting the credit that you deserve for that, Dilip. But just respond to my question specifically, because we're talking about at least in 4 months, if there has been an anti-rape law, then are we at least looking at
I'm
some
coming
sort
to
of a
that.
change in the mindset?
Yeah,
It doesn't really
yeah.
seem so.
I'm coming to that. So that
Okay.
as you just said, that the problem lies in implementation, and it cannot be rectified. This problem cannot be resolved until and unless there is a direct accountability of police department to the people. As long as they are reporting to their political masters, they will always have the opportunity to get twisted as per their,
Okay, I think
need
I-
and whatever.
Dilip, I think
So-
he's not responding specifically to the
I'll
question.
respond,
Nupur, do you want to
I'll
respond to the
respond to you because I think more than just a sexist comment, I don't think it's sexist at all. I think it's a rhetoric that till now you assumed the role, a patriarchal
Sucheta,
order. Let me
एक
let me
मिनट,
just
सुचेता, आपको लगता है कि ये
Let me
rhetorical
just-
comment
I would just like to ask whether it's a pro-woman rhetoric or it's an anti-woman rhetoric.
It's a
Because-
pro-woman. See,
Oh
let me
my God.
complete. Let me complete.
Okay.
What I'm trying to say is, till now,
Yeah.
we have been in this patriarchal setup that a woman is supposed to look after these things and a man is supposed to look after these things. Well, the point is that the man's role wasn't really satisfied. It wasn't
Okay,
really
not
undertaken.
really, not really.
Can I complete, madam, please?
Yeah, you can definitely, but
So
I
then
think,
let me complete.
I think I
Then
need
let
to
me
protest
complete.
when you are justifying and
I think I should be
continuing
allowed to
justifying
complete.
anti-woman slogans being raised on the streets.
Okay,
No,
Sucheta,
madam,
and
none
I
of
think
this.
I'm just reacting to
no,
that.
This
I
was.
mean,
This is
we
not
have
my
been born
point,
up in
madam.
this society
This
and-
has not
okay,
happened.
let
You
me
were
finish.
not there in the
You are Delhi
at
State
ITO.
Secretary in front of police
Madam,
headquarters. I know his
please.
name. He
Madam,
was
please.
proudly raising this slogan,
Madam,
"Chudiya pehan ke dance karo."
Madam, please.
And I, as a woman, feel
May
deeply
I-
insulted.
May I just
Yeah,
complete?
definitely you
May I
can.
just
Okay,
complete?
Nupur,
If you
please,
think
but
that females, I think the point is, if you think that women are supposed to just impose and just assume this role of just being the weaker sex, then I'm sorry, you might as well do it. It's just how some things just come about as a mark of tradition.
Okay,
It's nothing
Anya,
else.
Anya, I'm just curious. What does this mean to you, Anya?
I agree that those remarks create an environment that is not empowering for women in any way.
Okay.
And I do think they're out of place in a protest like that.
Okay.